Today we're going to learn about number patterns. Again, number patterns. Here are the words we need to remember in finding the patterns of the numbers. First, increase or increasing. Again, increase or increasing. Second, decrease or decreasing. Again, decrease or decreasing. What is increase or increasing? Means the numbers are getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So that is increase or increasing. Example, we have the pattern increased by ones. Again, the pattern increased by ones. We have 0, it becomes 1, it becomes 2. If you will say the pattern increased by 1, you are going to add 1 in each number. Example, 0 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2, then 2 plus 1, so the next number is 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3 has a pattern increased by ones. While decrease or decreasing, it means the numbers are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay? Example, the pattern decreased by twos. Again, the pattern decreased by twos. We have the numbers 10, it becomes 8, it becomes 6. If you will say the pattern decreased by twos, you are going to minus each number by 2. So 10 minus 2 equals 8, 8 minus 2 equals 6, 6 minus 2, so the next number is 4. So this is the pattern decreased by twos. Again, remember, if you will say increasing, that is plus. If you will say decreasing, that is minus. Here is our example number 1 of the increasing patterns. As we can see, the first set has 3 dots, the second set has 6 dots, the third one has 9 dots, followed by 12 dots, and the last one has 15 dots. As we can observe, the first number is number 3. If we are going to increase that number by 3, we can get 6. And we all know 6 is the second number. Again, 3 increased by 3 is the same as 3 plus 3 equals 6. Next, our second number is number 6. If we are going to increase that number by 3, we can get 9. And number 9 is the third number, right? Again, 6 increased by 3 is the same as 6 plus 3 equals 9. For the third number, which is number 9, if we are going to increase that number by 3, we can get 12. And we all know 12 is the fourth number. Again, 9 increased by 3 is the same as 9 plus 3 equals 12. And for number 12, if we are going to increase that number by 3, we can get 15. And 15 is the last number, right? Again, 12 increased by 3 is the same as 12 plus 3 equals 15. Therefore, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 form a pattern of increasing by 3s. Again, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 form a pattern of increasing by 3s. Our second example of increasing patterns. We have here the first number, which is number 25, followed by 50, next 75, next missing number, and the last one is 125. So we're going to find the missing number, which is the fourth number in the number sequence. As we can observe, the first number is 25. If we are going to increase that number by 25, we can get 50. And we all know 50 is the second number. Again, 25 increased by 25 is the same as 25 plus 25 equals 50. Next, the second number, which is number 50.
If we are going to increase that number by 25, we can get 75. And we all know 75 is the third number. Again, 50 increased by 25 is the same as 50 plus 25 equals 75. So the first three numbers, 25, 50, and 75, form a pattern of increasing by 25. Again, 25, 50, and 75 form a pattern of increasing by 25. Therefore, we are going to do the same to get the fourth number. So increase 75 by 25. Again, increase 75 and 25 is the same as 75 plus 25 is equal to 100. Therefore, the fourth number is 100. And the last one, if we are going to increase 100 by 25, we can get 125. And that is the last number. So again, increase 100 by 25 is the same thing as 100 plus 25 equals 125.
Now let us have the example of the decreasing patterns. We have here the first number, 41, the second, 37, third, 33, fourth is missing, fifth is 25, sixth is missing also, and seventh is 17. Again, there are two numbers are missing. So we are going to find what are those numbers that we are going to fill in the box. So we can observe the second number is decreased from the first number by 4. Why? From 41, it becomes 37. It means 41 decreased by 4, the same as 41 minus 4. We can get the second number, which is number 37. Next, the third number is decreased from the second number by 4 also. Means if we are going to decrease 37 by 4, or the same as 37 minus 4, we can get 33, which is the third number. It can be concluded that 41, 37, 33 form a pattern of decreasing by 4s. Therefore, let's decrease 33 by 4, the same as 33 minus 4 equals 29. So therefore, the fourth number and the number we're going to fill in the first box is 29. Next, decrease 29 by 4, the same as 29 minus 4. We can get the fifth number, which is number 25, followed by decrease 25 by 4, the same as 25 minus 4 equals 21. Therefore, our sixth number is 21. That would be the numbers in the second box. The last one we have decrease 21 by 4, the same as 21 minus 4 equals 17, which is 17 is the seventh number. It can be concluded that 41, 37, 33, 29, 25, 21, 17 form a pattern of decreasing by 4s. Another example of decreasing patterns. We have here the first number 250, the second one is 200, the third is 150, the fourth is missing, and the fifth one is 50. Again, we're going to look for the fourth number and write it down inside the box. As we can observe, if we are going to decrease the first number, which is number 250, by 50, we can get the second number, which is number 200. Again, 250 decreased by 50 is the same as 250 minus 50 equals 200. Next, 200 decreased by 50, we can get the third number, which is number 150. Again, 200 decreased by 50 is the same as 200 minus 50 equals 150. So, 250, 200, 150 form a pattern of decreasing by 50s. Therefore, we're going to do the same to get the next number, which is the fourth number. Decrease 150 by 50, we can get 100. Again, decrease 150 by 50 is the same as 150 minus 50, that is equal to 100. Followed by the last one, decrease 100 by 50, that is the same as 100 minus 50 equals the fifth number, which is number 50. Our next example is decreasing pattern of 20. Again, decreasing pattern of 20. So we are going to decrease each number by 20. Again, decrease each number by 20. That is minus 20 starts from the number 190. 190 minus 20 is equal to 170. Next, 170 minus 20 is equal to 150. Very good. 150 minus 20 is equal to 130. 130 minus 20 is equal to 110. And the last one, 110 minus 20 is equal to 90. This is the decreasing pattern of 20. Next one, we have increasing pattern of 5. Again, increasing pattern of 5. It means we are going to increase each number by 5. Again, we are going to increase each number by 5. That is plus 5. Starts from the number 300. 300 plus 5 equals 305. 305 plus 5 equals 310. 310 plus 5 equals 315. 315 plus 5 equals 320. 320 plus 5 equals 325. And this is the increasing pattern of 5. Our last example is the increasing pattern. As we can see, our first number is 739, second number 790, third number 841, fourth, fifth, and the sixth. We are going to find the next three numbers. As we can observe, the second number is increased from the first number by 51 because as you can see, the first number is 739. It becomes 790. The number is getting bigger, right? So therefore, we are going to increase the first number by 51. The same as 739 plus 51, we can get the second number, which is 790. How about the third number? As we can observe, the third number is increased from the second number by 51 also. So therefore, let us also increase 790 by 51. So we can get the third number, which is 841. It can be concluded that 739, 790, and 841 form a pattern of increasing by 51s. The first three numbers form a pattern of increasing by 51s. Therefore, we are going to do the same to find the next three numbers. Let's start with 841 increased by 51. It's the same as 841 plus 51 is equal to 892. That is our fourth number. Next, increase 892 by 51, the same as 892 plus 51 equals 943. And the last one, increase 943 by 51 is the same as 943 plus 51 is equal to 994. Therefore, the numbers form a pattern of increasing by 51s. And that's all for today. I hope you've learned from our discussion. See you in my next video. Goodbye.